Blessed with majestic hills, mighty waterfalls, and unparalleled reserves of flora and fauna, Jharkhand in East India is also India's treasure bowl of precious minerals. By moving quickly to shift from conventional carbon-intensive energy generation to clean energy technologies, Jharkhand has committed itself to the vision of the Prime Minister to make India a global leader in clean energy. To meet this growing demand for energy, Jharkhand has set an ambitious aim to install 2100 megawatts ground-mounted, 500 megawatts rooftop and 50 megawatts solar thermal capacity by 2020. Spearheading the solar movement from the front, Jharkhand Renewable Energy Development Agency is implementing grid-connected solar rooftop program on government buildings. Solar energy generated from rooftop solar power plants on these office buildings, which house various government departments, is expected to generate over 5 lakh units of solar power annually. Demonstrating a perfect blend of energy infrastructure, policy support, and an enabling business climate, Jharkhand offers an exciting potential for investing in clean energy, particularly in solar. The new Jharkhand energy policy encourages participation of private sector to set up solar power-based projects in the state. Tata Steel has set a remarkable 3 megawatts grid-connected ground-mounted solar power plant at its iron ore mine site. This project is expected to generate more than 4 million units of electricity. The M. Linda Foundation, a not-for-profit organization that promotes sustainable economic growth, has invested in solar electrifying tribal households in the region.
सोलर के आने से कुछ खर्चा कम हो गया है। घर में लाइट 24 घंटा रहता है, खेती कर रहे हैं, प्लस बच्चा लोग को जब मर्जी तब अपना स्टडी कर सकता है। सोलर तो सबे कोई चाहिए बोलता है हमको, कहीं सबको रोशनी का ज़रूरत है।
Our mission is to provide energy to each and every household of Jharkhand. The present government has taken a lot of initiative in simplifying all the rules and all the policies. Very recently, in the second phase of government buildings for 5 megawatt solar rooftop, we got 48 online bid. You will see perceptible change in the mind of the investors also.
Powering a sustainable future ahead, the Jharkhand Renewable Energy Development Agency, Government of Jharkhand, and the Union Ministry of New and Renewable Energy have invigorated the market for renewable energy projects with a new momentum, a new vision. Come, invest in the future. Invest in Jharkhand.